What's up, YouTube? Another unboxing today. Today I have a camera cage thing from SmallRig. I thought it'd be a pretty cool addition to the camera. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. Cut it open, unbox it, see what's up with it. Hmm. 11th floor in some building in China. Let's go. They're making this stuff. Plastic bags are dangerous. Some screws, little tool. Ooh. Okay. Actually, let's do that second. I'm just gonna hide that. Nice. Nice. Decent metal. I don't know what the metal is, but it feels good. It's kind of heavy. It's got a little rubber here. One screw. Heck yeah. And another part of the cage. Ooh. A wooden handle grip. All right, super easy to get the grip on. Just some screws, some washers. Yes, sir. It's looking nice. Get a little close up. Packaging is nice, not gonna lie. Even though plastic's dangerous, very dangerous, I appreciate that they gave me this dangerous material, you know? Might as well live life dangerously. Might as well. This is called a cold shoe. Let's see what we got here. Let's see how we do this. Yeah. Oh, that's gonna be cool. About right there. Yeah, let's get it. You know what I'm saying? We just got a camera upgrade. Can walk around with the camera like this. Alright, thanks for watching the unboxing. GTJ Man here. Click like and subscribe if you would, if you want to, if you don't, it's whatever. Yes sir. So we got SmallRig, we got a cage, and a cold shoe. Let's go. Peace out. Cub Scout. Yo, what's up? We got this is what it looks like. This is what I'm talking about. Oh. This is what it looks like with the camera in. So I'm digging it. Again, it's very easy to hold like this. The camera button is a little covered by this, but nothing too bad. You can still click it pretty easy. All these buttons are still easy to click. I'm liking it. It just gives it a more full feel. Again, I can get different camera angles by holding it like this. I can get a low camera angle. With this also, there's many more attachments that I can add onto it than if I just had the camera. Again, I don't have any except for this cold shoe, but you know, there's always the future. So like and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna have more unboxings coming. Leave a comment if y'all think that this thing's cool, and we'll catch y'all next time. Peace.